Alright, so nagbabalik na naman tayo for another video and I think magandang pag-usapan to and I think one of the best advices I could give hindi lang sa music pero minsan nakakaligtaan natin especially for younger kids, no? And I'm going to tell you my experience din about this, and this is about okay, so I've been wearing glasses no simula pagkabata, no, grade 1 yata ako. And then tinatanggal ko siya from time to time until I was, I think, grade 3 or 4 na parang napansin na ng parents ko na kailangan ko. So, they had my eyes check kasi nga daw lagi ako nagsisquint, laging ganyan, gumaganyan. So, syempre nagva-violin ako. And then napansin din naman nung teachers ko before na parang ang bagal ko daw, bumagal daw ako magbasa ng nota. So, sabi nilang parents ko, napansin niya daw nila tuwing nagle-lesson ako, ganyan ako ng ganyan sa music stand, para akong manok. Ganyan daw ako ng ganyan. So, they had my eyes checked, then nalaman nga nila na may grado na pala yung mata ko. So, simula nun, after getting my eyes checked, na nilagyan ako ng prescription glasses, hindi sobrang labo ng mata ko, guys, ha. I think ang grade ko is naglalaro lang between 50 to 75, tapos may astigmatism na ganun din. So, hindi siya sobrang labo. Pero, naramdaman ko, as in ako mismo, nung bata ako na yon, nung time na yon, na nung nagsalamin ako, parehas lang naman ang nakikita ko na nota. Pero parang nagre-react yung katawan ko differently. Mas mabilis gumagalaw yung daliri ko. So, it solved that problem na bakit bumagal yung pagbabasa. So, kung mga parents kayo, no, yung kids nyo nag-aaral ng musical instrument, tapos napansin nyo parang may nagbabago sa progression nila, or nahihirapan na daw sila, may mga ganon, no, may nagkakaroon ng konting challenges. Nung dati, mabilis yung pacing nila, tapos medyo bumabagal. I mean, sometimes normal yun na bumagal yung pace kasi talagang mahirap yung pinagdadaanan or mahirap yung mga pieces. But, have their eyes checked, no? Especially kung nakikita nyo na laging ganon. Hindi pala yan, hindi pala yan dahil na naduduling lang sa nota or hindi nila talaga ma-distinguish. I don't know, I haven't studied it, but ayun nga, based on personal experience, sobrang laking difference, no? So I also did this, parang I've been giving this advice. I think 3 or 4 students ko na rin yung napansin ko na ganito yung nangyayari, na parang nagsisquint sila or nilalapit nila yung mata nila sa screen. Siguro kasama na din yan yung factor na we use a lot of the gadgets, no? Minsan sa iPad nagbabasa because it's a more convenient option. And also, minsan sa paper, yun nga, gumaganyan-ganyan. So, I suggested them to their parents na to have their eyes checked, and nagbunga naman, na napadali yung buhay nila. So, I think kahit sa ibang skills, kahit hindi violin, kahit ibang instrument, and even other disciplines that require you to use your eyes, read, and understand things, napaka-importante ng eye health natin, no? So, habit check. Ngayon, kung hindi kayo bata, okay lang din. Pa-check up nyo yung mga mata nyo. No? This is not sponsored, no? Pero, baka yun yung isa sa mga common problems. Kasi minsan, akala natin, hindi, kulang lang ako sa practice. Or, minsan, napaka-in denial natin na wala tayong issues na, hindi, normal lang yun, normal lang. Hindi normal na mag-squint kayo or look closer. Kasi kung nababasa nyo talaga siya ng maayos, no, magre-react yung katawan natin differently. So, yung confusion that sometimes sets in, baka ang problem is with your vision. So, make sure again to have your eyes checked. Hindi naman, alam ko, libre naman yan, 'di ba, sa mga nagpapagawaan ng salamin. So, it's a free checkup. So, kung kailangan nyo talaga kumuha ng prescription lenses, edi doon lang kayo gagastos. Pero, basically, it's free. So, kung wala naman problema, edi wala. Which is good, no? Pero kung nakakaramdam kayo, no, you see your kids na parang nagsistruggle sila, na biglaan na lang, baka lumalabo yung mata nila. Kasi, we use it, and how we use it right now is different from how you were using it before, di ba? Kasi kami nun, papel, no? High contrast ang papel, tapos madali naman siyang basahin. Ngayon sa screen, 'di ba, may blue light and everything. So, nasa-stress yung eyes natin, tumataas yung eye pressure, all of those things, no? So, wala namang mawawala if we have your eyes checked, di ba? If we have our eyes checked. Para at least mas maging productive tayo, mas maayos tayong tumugtog, and mas mabilis mag-improve, di ba? So sana nakatulong to. Again, this is not just for musicians, this is for everyone who uses their eyes daily, for productivity, for work, no? For your craft, no? Napaka-importante, alagaan natin yung ating mga mata. So sana nakatulong to. If you did, comment down below. And good luck sa inyo. I'll see you on the next one.